Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your caller ID is not working on your iPhone. So guys, if you're calling someone and your phone number is not showing up on the recipient device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So as here you can see this, I have taken a screenshot of my problem that whenever I am calling someone, the number is not showing up or the caller ID is not showing up on the recipient device. So as if you are also facing this problem, simply watch this video till the end to fix it. So first of all, go back to your home screen and from here tap on settings, and from here you have to scroll it below and tap on your phone. So guys, unfortunately there is no SIM in my device. You have to open your settings in your phone from here, and after this you have to simply turn on your caller ID on your iPhone, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So as if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is simply go back or scroll it above and tap on your general settings again, and from here tap on about and check if there is any career update in your iPhone. So I simply update it, and after this scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So I check if there is any connected VPN in your device, then simply disconnect it, and after this scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and from here reset all settings in your device, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. So if you're still facing this problem, then you have to force restart your iPhone. So I simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So I simply force restart a device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.